Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. As our goal is to create a dynamic, clickable table of contents in Google Docs that updates automatically, first we need to format the document with proper headings. Select the text for your main sections, like Introduction. From the Styles dropdown, choose Heading 1. Do the same for all main sections. For subsections, select the text and apply Heading 2. Repeat this for all subsections. Google Docs will automatically update the outline on the left, which you can also use to navigate. Now, place your cursor where you want the table of contents, then go to Insert, hover over Page Element, select Table of Contents, and choose a style, like plain text, dotted lines, or links. Select one, and your table will appear instantly. Your table of contents is clickable and shows page numbers. To customize it, click inside the table of contents and open More options by clicking on the three dots. Here, you can hide page numbers, switch tab leader styles, like dotted lines, and choose which heading levels to display, only chapters or chapters with subsections. And that's it. You've created a dynamic table of contents in Google Docs. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.